Hey guys, it's Tuesday, June 2nd. Today you have another day to work on your presentations. If you haven't looked at the directions already, go back to yesterday's slide or Friday's slide. The directions are on there. Otherwise, you can find the directions on the portfolio assignment sheet, which is the first link in the independent reading folder unit. Make sure that you have your video in by June 4th. No exceptions. I can't take stuff later than that because grades are due on Friday, so I need to be able to have everything graded in time. Please make sure that you are turning your portfolio in here. Please don't email it to me. If you made your video with a different recorder, like let's say you used your phone or you did it through WeVideo or something because this wasn't working, that's fine. But please turn it into the late work folder, which is down here. It just makes it easier for me to keep things organized rather than having a bunch of stuff floating around in my email. So if for whatever reason you can't use this, use the late work folder. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day. You guys are doing great.